Hey, hey, hey! What's the chicken today?
Hi, I'm Jazlyn.
Hi, I'm Naomi.
Today we're going to be making chicken parmesan with a side salad. There's only 11 ingredients used in this recipe. We only use $20 for all of the ingredients, and the cook time is an hour, but we'll show you the 10 steps in 10 minutes.
We're 2 college students just like y'all watching, so that's why it's a cheap, easy recipe to make at home.
So before we start, I'm going to go over all the ingredients you'll need to make the Parmesan chicken and side salad. So we have pasta sauce, croutons, we have some breadcrumbs, pepper, salt, flour, Caesar dressing, we have mozzarella provolone, and Parmesan cheese, and chicken breast.
Okay, so step 1 is preheating the oven to 450.
Okay, so step 2 is to take the chicken out of the package, put it into a plastic bag, and tenderize it. After you're done tenderizing your meat, the next step is to season it with salt and pepper. Chicken seasoned.
Okay, so you're going to set the chicken aside for the moment. We're going to move on to step 3. So step 3 is you're going to grab 2 eggs and then you're going to put them in the bowl and whisk them together.
The next step is to mix a cup of breadcrumbs and half a cup of Parmesan cheese into a bowl. And then you set it aside for step 5.
Okay, for step 5, you're going to get 2 tablespoons of flour and use a strainer to strain out the flour to get all the oxygen out. Okay, so after you finish straining the flour, you're going to grab the chicken breast and you're going to coat both sides evenly.
next you're gonna take your chicken, you're gonna put it in the egg, and then you're gonna coat it in the breadcrumbs.
Okay, so the next step, you're gonna measure out a cup of oil, put it in your pan, and then wait for it to simmer. Once it starts simmering, you're gonna take your chicken and put it in the pan and cook it for 2 minutes on each side.
Next, you're going to cover each of the chickens with 1/3 of a cup of tomato sauce, followed by 1 slice of each of the cheeses. You're going to sprinkle some Parmesan on the top and get a tablespoon of olive oil and drizzle it.
Okay, so now you're gonna place the chicken in the oven and wait till the cheese is browned on top. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
So while you're waiting for your chicken to cook, you can start to prepare your side salad. I have the romaine lettuce. I'm gonna add some dressing, toss the salad, and then sprinkle it with some Parmesan and croutons.
Alright, so you're gonna take the chicken out and then check the center to make sure it's not pink.
So now we have the chicken parmesan and the side salad, and now you just enjoy. And that's the 10 steps in 10 minutes to make the perfect chicken parmesan.
Just prepare the chicken, fry it, stick it in the oven, and you're done.